Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to log into your Canstar account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and get to the official website of Canstar. To do so, type in canstar.com.au and press enter. From the official web page, click on Login at the top right, and in the sign in area, you will need to choose one of the login methods. Choose one of the methods that you previously used in order to sign into your account. Since I used the email option, I'm going to choose continue with email. Now, enter your correct email address and password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password during the process, you can get help by clicking reset password at the bottom. After filling in the credentials and you're ready to sign in, click sign in, and then you will be able to log into your Canstar account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.